Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are doing good. So, in this lecture, we will be finishing our lesson which we started, our chapter number 11, area and its boundary. Okay, so we finished in a previous lecture, we finished till question number 11, right? So we have to do complete the rest of the questions. But before we start the rest of the questions, I have certain corrections. I have two corrections for you all. Okay, so for question number 11 D part, okay, there is a correction, so I want you all to change that and understand what I'm saying now. Okay, I'm sorry, there was a little correction. I did a small mistake, so I wanted to correct myself. Okay, so listen to this explanation very carefully. Question number 11, A, B and C part, that is fine. And D part, there the question is total requirement of fencing for all four plots is dash meter. Okay, this is the question. The question was total requirement of fencing for all four plots. Okay, so this was the four plots, है ना? Ravi, Pushpa, Veena and Manoj. So they were asking the total number of total requirement of fencing for all four plots. So so what we need to do is we have to find out the requirement of fencing for four plots individually, and then we have to add it. For that means Ravi's requirement of fencing. So how we will find out finding the requirement of fencing, we will find out the perimeter. So for perimeter of, we will have to do find out individually the requirements of fencing the plot. So first plot is of Ravi, so perimeter of Ravi's plot we will find out. The perimeter of formulas of perimeters, है ना? So this is a rectangle, so perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus width. So we will use that formula for all the four plots, and then we will find out how much it is required individually. Okay, so I had already taught you how to find out. So I had already solved here, so that I won't waste much time in making you understand the same question. So the Ravi's plot is, so you can see here Ravi's plot. This is Ravi's plot, and the length is 25 and the width is 20 meter. And for Ravi's plot, we have I had applied the formula 2 into length plus width is the formula. So 2 into length was 25, width is 20, 25 plus 20, that was 45, and 45 into 2, we got the answer 90 meters. So Ravi needs a 90 meter of Ravi requires 90 meter of fencing. Okay, and next up is Pushpa. So next up is Pushpa here, and for Pushpa I had done the mistake in my previous video. Okay, so the answer I told you before was 1700 something, so I did a mistake, a small mistake there, so that is why I'm explaining again. So for Pushpa, the length is 35 and the width is 20, so I had solved for Pushpa also. Now you can see okay, so here Pushpa's plot, we are using the same formula, 2 into length plus width. Okay, I'm saying this because I have written very badly. So 2 into length plus width is the formula, and 2 into length was 35 and width is 20. Okay, so 35 plus 20 was 55, है ना? So what I did was, in my previous video, instead of plus I did multiplication in a hurry, so I did that mistake. Okay, that is why I'm explaining this again. So 35 plus 20 is your formula, because here we have plus. There's a formula, in formula we have plus here. So 35 plus 20 you get 55, and 55 multiplied by 2 you get 110 meters. So for Pushpa, the requirement of fencing is of 110 meter, 110 meter. Next up is Veena, children. So Veena's plot is this. Okay, 20 meter and 20 meter is the measurement, and length and width. So 20 meter and 20 meter, I had already told you that when the length and width is same, then we can use the formula of a perimeter of square. Okay, so we can use that also, and we should use that. Okay, So if we do that, we get, I'm not now explaining all the perimeters again and again. Okay, so if we find out the perimeter of Veena, perimeter of square formula we will be using, and we'll get the answer 80. And next up is Manoj. Manoj, same formula we will use, 2 into length plus width. Okay, because this is a rectangle, so that way we'll apply these number in the formula, and then will solve the answer. So for the perimeter of Manoj, the requirement of fencing the Manoj's plot is 130 meter. Okay, so that is how you need to find out. So what you have got. Okay, so okay, this was the plot. Okay, so I have done the addition here. Okay, so 110 is the perimeter of Pushpa, and 130 is the perimeter of Manoj, and 90 is the perimeter of 90 is the perimeter of Ravi, and 80 is the perimeter of Veena. Okay, children, so we have to add this, we have to add this, we have to plus this, and we'll get the answer 410 meter. Okay, 410 meter is your answer. So we have to write here, 410 meter. Okay, because the measurement of four plots, we found the measurement of all the four plots individually, we added it up, and we got the answer 410 meter. Okay, and E1 is if Veena and Manoj's plot were merged together, the total requirement of fencing for their plot will be. Okay, so this question was okay, I'll show you the question in your book first. Yes, what they are asking is Veena and Manoj plot is this. They are asking if this plot is merged, means if if the distance between them, okay, this distance where I'm pointing right now, if that is taken off and this plot is taken together, ठीक है, merge कर दिया है, एक साथ कर दिया है, then what will be the perimeter of this plot. Okay, so I had explained, I have drawn here, this was the plot. Okay, okay, this is Veena's plot. Okay, this is Veena's plot and this is Manoj's plot. Okay, है ना, हमारे वर्कबुक में ऐसा ही है. वीना का प्लॉट है 20 and 20 meter, and मनोज का प्लॉट है 40 meter in length and 25 meter in width. Okay, what they are saying is if we merge it together, see this is the new merging. After merging ये बीच का distance क्या है, चला जाएगा. Okay, this part will be gone and they are merged together. एक साथ हो गए, अब ये चिपक गए हैं. ठीक है, एक साथ हमने merge कर दिया इनको. So then what will be the fencing, or what will be the measurement of plots together of Veena and Manoj? So this, when you will merge it together, children, then this side and this side will be gone, right? This side and this side will be gone. Like you have all the three sides. You'll get, I'll show you here. You will get for Veena you have three sides. Okay, you will get three sides because here from here we will get Manoj's plot, right? We'll get Manoj's plot. So that is why we this length and sorry, this width and this width will be gone. Okay, we will have three sides of Veena and we will have three sides of Manoj. Okay, so this is how now the plot is merged for Veena and Manoj. Okay, so now we know the length and width because 20 and 20 meter it is shown for Veena. So this side will also be 20, है ना? The two opposite sides are equal in a rectangular or in a square. So and this is a square, we know, because length and width are same, so it means all sides are same. So this side will also be 20. And for Manoj we know that this side is 25 and this is 40, this is 40. And why, if you have noticed that this is I have drawn this longer and here I have written 5. Okay, this is 5 I have written over here. So how come? Because see, Veena's plot is 20, है ना, Veena's plot is 20 meter in width. Length is also 20, but we are just considering the width as of now. Okay, so width is 20 meter and width of Manoj is 25 meter, है ना. So if we merge together, then 20 will stay 20 and 25 will stay 25, isn't it? So 20 इतना तो merge हो चुका है, but Manoj का इतना part अभी भी बच रहा है ना, the 5 meter part. This is 5 meter. 5 meter part is still exceeding even if you are merging. You understood, children? Okay, you understood. Now this has been merged. This was 20 meter, this was Okay, this is 20 meter, and this width is of Manoj is 25, है ना? This is 25, so this we will not consider, because आप घर के बीचों बीच, प्लॉट के बीचों बीच तो आप नहीं बनाते हो ना, फेंस नहीं करते हो, बट आप प्लॉट का प्लॉट के बाहरी तरफ आप क्या करते हो, फेंस लगाते हो. सो दिस पार्ट वी विल नॉट कंसिडर. ओके, वी विल बी रबिंग दिस पार्ट. ओके, नाउ द प्लॉट इज लाइक दिस, बिकॉज ये 20 मीटर है, तो 20 मीटर मर्ज हो गया, तो ये पार्ट हमें ना मनोज का लेना है ना वीना का लेना है, बट extra 5 meter we will have to take it, we have to take it into consideration. So this 5 will be added, so this 20. Okay, this 20 will be there, and here the measurement is 25, this 40, this 40, and this 20. Okay, this is the measurement now, children. Okay, I'm explaining again, listen to the explanation carefully. Veena's plot is this, the length and width is 20 meter, and Manoj's plot is this. Manoj's plot is this. Okay, length is 40 meter and the width is 25 meter. What we need to do is we need to merge this. Merge this means इसको एक साथ जोड़ देना है. So next what will be the shape? This is only 20 meter and this is 25 meter. You see how I'm drawing the width? This is 20 meter, this much only, and 25 meter is this much. So now the new figure will be, this two lines will be taken off. Okay, we won't consider that, and this is the new plot. Okay, this is the new plot, you can see it in the highlight. This is the new plot. Okay, and length and width we know, for all the figures, 20, 20, 20. This is the 5 extra meter, because 20 meter we won't consider because it has already been merged. The extra 5 meter, because here we have only 20, here we had 25 meters, so 20 meters already merged, 5 meter is still remaining. Okay, so what we have to do next is 20 plus 20 plus 20 for Veena, and for Manoj we will add 40 plus 25 plus 40. Okay, children, so let's add for we will add individually. Okay, you will understand, I'm writing just Veena. For Veena, you see here, children, for Veena we need to do three, we need to consider only three sides, 20 plus 20 plus 20, है ना, 20 plus 20 plus 20, and what we will get, 20 plus 20 plus 20, we get 60, है ना. And for Manoj, what we need to do is, I'm just writing Manoj. Okay, so let's see Manoj's slide. Manoj's plot, length is 40 plus 40, है ना, both length 40 plus 40, so we'll add here 40 plus 40. And what is the width, children? We'll see here, width here is 25 only. We are supposed to take only one width, है ना, because one width is merged and the other width is still there. I have written 20. Okay, so it was 25. Okay, and 40, we took both the lengths 40 plus 40, and one width we have taken, and 5 is still remaining, है ना, extra 5 ये जो बचा है हमारा, यहाँ पे भी फेंस करेंगे, तो that 5 is also there. Okay, so 40 plus 40 plus 25 plus 5, you will get, children, you will get 110. 40 plus 40, 80, and 80 plus 30, you will get 110. So 110 is the measurement for after merging the plot of Manoj and Veena. So what we need to do is 60 plus this was Veena's measurement 60, and this is Manoj's measurement 110. So what we need to do is, now we have to add 110 plus 60. Okay, 110 plus 60, if you do, you will get the answer 170 meter. Okay, children, so 170 meter is the requirement of fence when you will merge the plot of Veena and Manoj. Okay, children, so here we need to write 170 in the blank. Okay, so do the correction, children. 410 and 170 is the correction, do it. Okay, and our next question, if we see, this is match the following. This is very simple. I have drawn with pencil, but no problem. While sending on WhatsApp, you will see it clearly. Otherwise, you can hear it carefully. So playground, okay, so this is the question. The shape has been given and they are asking what will be the area approximately. Definitely we will, because they are just asking they are not asking you to measure any playground or measure any land or measure any TV, just the approximate measurements. We need to just understand that. So playground, if we see, that will be in square meter. District agriculture's land, okay, district agriculture's land, they are not talking about one land, okay. So we, you might have seen lands where we do agriculture, है ना, खेती के लिए जो आप लैंड करते हो या आपके पास खुद की होंगी लैंड, किस काफ़ी बच्चों की होंगी, तो आप देखोगे आपको वो लैंड ही नहीं कंसिडर करनी है. इनफैक्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स एग्रीकल्चर लैंड मीन्स वन फुल डिस्ट्रिक्ट. नाउ वी लिव इन पूना डिस्ट्रिक्ट, सो सिर्फ आपका खुद का लैंड कितना बड़ा आपको पता है, तो मतलब पूरे फुल कामशेत में लैंड कितना होगा जो एग्रीकल्चर के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, वो भी आपको शायद कंफर्म नहीं होगा, पूरा पता नहीं होगा. कामशेत इज ऑल्सो बिग नाउ, बट दे आर आस्किंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट एग्रीकल्चर लैंड. डिस्ट्रिक्ट मीन्स वी आर लिविंग इन पुणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट, राइट. सो पुणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में देर विल बी you know, a lot of agricultural land, a lot of land which is used for agricultural purposes. So that is why the highest measurement will be the district agricultural land, agricultural land. So here definitely square centimeter is not logical and square meter is also not logical, but square kilometer is the largest one. So that is why district agriculture's land will be measured in square kilometer. Okay, so playground I told you will be in square meter. And as playground, we don't have a big playground in our school, but if you have been to other school or seen other schools, you notice that playgrounds are there, and that will not be in centimeter definitely, and square kilometer definitely not. And kilometer and plus kilometer and squares, so kilometer and squares will not be there. So that is why the logical one, you, even if you don't know which one is the correct answer, you can see the other options, है ना. आपको नहीं पता how much is the playground, right, so you can just see कि square kilometer हो सकता है क्या. Square kilometer will be very huge, no. Kilometer, you know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, and so they are asking about square kilometer, so square kilometer will be very huge. So and that, so that long playground is not there in any school, है ना. बड़े होते हैं but definitely not in kilometers. एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट जितना तो बड़ा प्लेग्राउंड नहीं होगा, तो या फिर एक प्लेस जितना भी बड़ा प्लेग्राउंड नहीं होगा, है ना. इट विल बी इन some meters. So square meter will be the exact answer. District agricultural land, I already explained you. Screen TV, okay, so screen TV, you have TV, you all might have TV in your home, at your home. So you can see that obviously square meter will be very huge. एक playground जितना आपका TV नहीं होगा definitely, है ना. एक प्लेग्राउंड जितना टीवी नहीं हो सकता आपका. एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट खेत जहाँ पे आप एग्रीकल्चर करते हो उतना बड़ा भी आपका टीवी नहीं होगा डेफिनेटली. इट इज़ मच स्मॉलर दैन दैट. सो द स्मॉलेस्ट वन हियर इज स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, है ना. सो यू कैन मेजर योर टीवी इन सेंटीमीटर्स. सो नेक्स्ट इज स्क्रीन ऑफ थिएटर, है ना. स्क्रीन ऑफ थिएटर, सो स्क्रीन ऑफ थिएटर इज quite big, not much big but quite big, है ना. So if we see that up it won't be the, it won't be like as of a playground. Definitely playground जितना तो बड़ा नहीं होगा, but like it we can measure it into square meter. Okay, so meter में तो measure आप करते ही होंगे, and square meter will be maybe okay, square meter we can just choose here. And next up is South Indian dhoti, children. Okay, South Indian dhoti, they are not talking about the normal dhoti, because I have heard that normal dhoti is much larger. So they are asking, they are clearly mentioned about South Indian dhoti. So South Indian dhoti is approximately 1 to not 1 1.5 meter, almost 1.5 to 2 meters. Okay, 1.5 to 2 meters की साउथ इंडियन धोती होगी अप्रॉक्स. आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द अप्रॉक्सीमेशन. सो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1.5 to 2 meter dhoti will be there. So if you want to measure it into squares, so I think square centimeter, so square centimeter will be your answer for South Indian dhoti. Okay children, so you see here, square playground has been matched with square meter. District agricultural land is matched with square kilometer. Screen of TV is matched with square centimeter. Screen of theatre is matched with square meter, and South Indian dhoti is matched with square centimeter. Okay children, so next up is a question number 13, that is the area of rectangles Okay, area of rectangle are given, area of rectangles are given, what can their perimeters be, fill in the table. Okay, so they are asking for filling in the table. So what we need to do is, children, they gave us only area. Okay, they had provided us a number, that is 24, and you see here 24, 24, and again we see, again we see this is a continuation, 24, 24. Okay, four times they are given us, they gave us 24. So the area is 24, and we have to find the sides of, we had to find the sides, and we need to find the perimeter also. Okay, so this is rectangular sides. They had already mentioned that the area they had provided is of rectangle, because they mentioned here area of rectangles in the question. So you know that how do we find a area of rectangle is length into breadth, है ना? How do we find the area of rectangle? I'll explain you using PPT. Okay, so area of rectangle, how do you find? When you multiply length into width. Okay, when you multiply length into width, you get area, है ना? You get area when you multiply length into width. So you need two numbers, you need a length and you need a width, and when you will multiply these two, you will get area of rectangle, isn't it? So what you need to do, children, is find out any two numbers for the multiplication, and when you and those two numbers multiplication, when you multiply those two numbers, you need to get the answer 24. Means multiple of these two numbers has to be 24. Okay, multiple of these two numbers has to be 24. So if so what you need to do, you need to think wisely that किस किस को आप multiply करोगे, किस number को किससे multiply करोगे तो 24 आएगा. So I had taught you in the chapter, in the chapter number 6, be my multiple, I'll be a factor. There I had taught you how to find out the common factors of the numbers, है ना? Common factors आप कैसे find out करोगे? You will see that कौन किसके table में वो नंबर आता है. So here also same question is there. Here also they had given us 24, है ना? They gave us 24. So we need to see that कौन से दो नंबर से आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो 24 आता है. So we won't take 1 and 24. Definitely common factors में हम 1 से start करते हैं ना. So 1 will be very small. So your wish, you can also take that also, but I'll suggest you not to use 1 and 24 itself. We'll use the number more than 1 and 24. Okay, so 2 के टेबल से स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो 2 से आप क्या मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? दिस इज 24, नो? दिस इज एन इवन नंबर, सो वी नो दैट द नंबर 24 विल बी अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 2. सो 2 से आप कौन से नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? यू विल गेट 24 चिल्ड्रंस. 2 इंटू 12 व्हेन यू विल डू, यू विल गेट 24. सो अभी आपको दो मिल गए. लेंथ 2, sorry, you got 2 into 12, you got two sides, you got two sides. Now 2 into 12 you will get 24. So you have got this also, you can do this also, 12 into 2 also you will get 24, है ना? And you need four answers as such. आपको फोर आंसर्स का फोर ऐसे नंबर्स निकालने हैं जिनका एरिया व्हेन यू विल फाइंड आउट यू विल गेट द आंसर 24. नेक्स्ट 3, इफ़ यू सी 3 के टेबल में 24 आता है. येस, 3 8 ज़ा इज़ 24. Okay, so you know that 3 8 is 24, then 8 3 is also 24, है ना? But we don't need, we will choose now later what numbers we need to take. This is the rough work now, and now we have seen 3 is stable. So next up is 4. 4 के table में 24 आता है. Yes, 4 6 are 24, isn't it? 4 6 are 24. So 6 के भी table में 24 आता है. 6 4 are 24. Now if you see, children, here how many numbers we have got? 2 into 12, 2 into 12, 2 12s are 24, 12 2s are 24, then 3 8s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 4 6 are 24, 6 4s are 24, and we need only 4, so you can choose any numbers from this. आप कोई भी number यहाँ से choose कर सकते हो. Any two sides, okay? Either you use, you take the side 2 into 12, okay? Then you can take the side 3 and 8. Then you can take the side 4 into 6. Then you can take the side 6 into 4. Or you can either take the side 1 and 24. Okay, you can also take that 1 and 24. 1 into sorry 1 into 24 is, that is also 24 है ना. So you can choose the different, you have got many numbers now. So आपको दो side मिल गए children. So ये जो दो numbers हमने multiply किया है 2 and 12, these will be the side. One will be the length and one will be the width. Okay, so if you are taking 12 and 2, okay, you can start with 1 also. So 24 will be the length and 1 will be the width. Okay, two sides, you know, you have got the two sides now है ना. So okay, so how do we find the area? I'm explaining again. How do we find the area? When we multiply length into width, we get area of rectangle, है ना. So we need two sides, any two numbers जिसका multiplication करोगे तो वो area निकल के आएगा. area क्या आना चाहिए आपका? 24 आना चाहिए. So आपको ऐसे दो numbers choose करने हैं जिसको आप multiply करोगे तो आपको 24 आता है. So we have done that 2, 12. So आप choose कर सकते हो इनमें से कोई भी number. Okay, 1 and 24 you can choose. Next 12 and 2 you can choose, 3 and 8 you can choose, 4 and 6 you can use. Okay, so that is how you need to find the sides. When you have got the sides children, अब आपको side पता चल गया. So here if you see in the question, 2 into 12 I have written and 12 into 2 I have written. So 2 into 12 24, 12 into 2 24 है ना. तो अभी आप perimeter कैसे निकालोगे? We will use the exact formula. What is the formula children of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into length plus width है ना. So for example, if you are taking 2 and 12 as your sides, okay, 2 and 12 if you are taking as your side, so what you do, you know the formula, 2 into length plus width is the formula. So 2 and 12 if you have taken, then 12 plus 2 you will do. Okay, and 12 plus 2, what is it? 12 plus 2 is 14 है ना. 12 plus 2 is 14, and when you will multiply 2 into 14 you will get the answer 28 है ना. तो आपको दो साइड मिल गई है तो आप उसको फॉर्मूला में डालकर पेरीमीटर भी निकाल सकते हो. ओके बच्चा, so I'll tell you the other sides also, not the whole one but the others also. For example, we are taking sides 8 and 3. Okay, if we are taking the sides as 8 and 3, then what we will do, perimeter कैसे निकालोगे? Perimeter is 2 into length plus width है ना, and 2 into, and what I said, 8 and 3, 8 will be your length and 3 will be your width. So 2 into 8 plus 3, what is it children? 8 plus 3 is 11, and 11 twos are is 22. 11 twos is 22 children. Okay, so you got it. 11 twos is 22. So we have got the perimeter 22. So that is how you need to do. Okay, that is how you need to do. 4 and 6 को आप इस फॉर्मूला में यूज़ करो. 2 into length plus width, 2 into 4 plus 6 you will choose, and 2 into 4 plus 6 if you do, 2 into 4 6 plus 4 will be 10, 2 into 10 will be 20, will be your perimeter. You understood now children? Now same way they are asking for the area 36. Okay, and 5 times they have written 36, so we need to find two numbers जिनका multiply करते हो आप तो आपको 36 आंसर मिलता है. Okay, so I had already solved it here. Okay, starting from 2. So 2 into 18 if you do, you will get 2 18s are 36 है ना. 18 2s are 36, you know about it. 18 2s is 36. So we have got two sides here. We will use perimeter of rectangle formula, that is 2 into length plus width. 2 into length was 18 and 2 was the width, and 18 plus 2 is 20, and 2 into 20 you will get 40. Likewise, you have to find out two numbers for which if you do multiplication you will get the answer 36. Okay, 3 into 12 also you get 36, 4 9s are 36, 9 4s are 36, 12 3s are 36. So I had given you all the sides. What you need to do is children, you have to use this side in the formula 2 into length plus width. One will be the length, and the other will be the width. Okay, the longer the okay, so that is how you need to put that into formula and find the perimeter. Okay, I hope that table is clear. Next up is same thing is given, same question is given, just they had changed the area. For the previous question we were provided with area and we had to find sides as well as perimeter, but here they had provided us perimeter and we need to find out sides and then area. Okay, children. So here, what is the question, children? You understand how I solved. 20 is the perimeter, okay, and how we get the perimeter? We know that when length, when we add length plus width, and that answer of length plus width, whatever we get, if we multiply it by 2, then we will get the perimeter, isn't it? I'll explain why with the help of writing. How you get the perimeter, children, is how do you get the perimeter? 2 into length plus width when you do. Okay, length plus width when you do. Okay, how you get the perimeter? 2 into length plus width when you do means that आपको एक length चाहिए, एक width चाहिए, and उस आप उसको प्लस करोगे एंड उसका आंसर जब इस लेंथ प्लस विड्थ का आंसर जो आएगा उससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 2 को, तो देन आपका पेरीमीटर आना चाहिए. इन द क्वेश्चन दे आर गिवन 20 इज योर perimeter. Okay, so 20 कब आता है, children? What I have done is, when do you get 20 means what number, by what number if you multiply you get 20. Okay, so if you means you had to multiply that number by 2. लेंथ एंड विड्थ को आपको प्लस करना है एंड वो आंसर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड देन आपको मिलता है आपका पेरीमीटर, इजंट इट? सो बाय व्हाट नंबर 2 into what when you will do, you will get the answer 20. That is what you need to think. I'm telling again. 2 into one number. Okay, 2 into something you have to do and you have to get the perimeter 20. 2 into what you will do, you will get 20. 2 into 10. 2 into 10 when you will do, you will get the answer 20, है ना? 2 tens is 20 na, children? 2, wait, 2 into 10 is what you get, 20, and 20 is the perimeter, है ना? 2 हमने यूज़ करना है एंड 10 आपका आंसर आना चाहिए जब आप लेंथ एंड विड्थ को प्लस करते हो. 2 तो रहेगा, ये रहेगा. लेंथ प्लस विड्थ आप जब प्लस करते हो तो आंसर आपका 10 आना चाहिए. क्यों? बिकॉज 2 से आप 10 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तभी आपको 20 आंसर आएगा. 2 से आप 11 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 20 आंसर आएगा नहीं. 2 से 9 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 20 आंसर आएगा नहीं. 2 इंटू 100 करोगे तो 20 आंसर आएगा नहीं. सो 2 इंटू 10 ही करना है तभी आपको आंसर आएगा 20. सो यू विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट any two number for adding, and when you add that two numbers you have to get 10. That is very easy, है ना? 1 से start कर सकते हो आप. 1, if you take 2 into 1 plus 9. Okay, 1 plus 9 when you do 2 into 1 plus 9. Okay, so when you do, okay, 9 plus 1, when you do 9 plus 1 you get the answer 10, है ना? लेंथ आपने 9 ली, विड्थ आपने 1 ली. 9 प्लस 1 जब आप करते हो तो 10 आता है ना? 10 इंटू 2 20 वी ऑलरेडी नो. 10 इंटू 2 इज 20 वी ऑलरेडी नो. वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट एनी टू साइड जिसको आप प्लस करते हो तो आपका आंसर 10 आता है. सो 9 प्लस 1 यू कैन डू, है ना? तब आपका आंसर आएगा 10 एंड दैट इज़ वाई यू कैन चूज टू साइड्स, 1 and 9, 9 and 1 you can choose. Okay, and next up is 1 and 9 के अलावा आप 2 नंबर 2 से आप देखो क्या कर सकते हो. ओके, यू कैन ऐड 2. 2 से आपको क्या प्लस करना है कि 10 आएगा. 2 plus 8 when you will do, you will get the answer 10. I hope you are understanding this, children. I'll explain again. Okay, perimeter, when you need to find out, children, when you need to find out perimeter, what you need to do is you have to, this is the formula. 2 into length plus width is your formula, isn't it? So what they are saying is perimeter is 20, children. Perimeter is 20. And आपको पता है कि आप लास्ट में क्या करते हो, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो लेंथ एंड प्लस विड्थ को. लेंथ एंड विड्थ का जो आंसर आता है उससे आप 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो एंड देन यू गेट द पेरीमीटर 20. सो ऑलरेडी उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में 20 पेरीमीटर दिया हुआ है. 2 हमें पता है. सो आपको अभी क्या करना है, 2 into what number when you do you get 20, children? 2 into obviously 2 tens ही 20 होता है और कोई नंबर नहीं है जिससे आप 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 20 बन सकता है ना? 2 into 10 ही आपको करना होगा, then only you will get 20. So for getting 10, children, so for getting दिस 10 आपको क्या करना है, लेंथ एंड विड्थ ऐसा चूज़ करना है, 2 नंबर्स ऐसा चूज़ करना है जिसको आप प्लस करोगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 10. सो okay, so I told you that you can use, children, 1 plus 9, Okay, 9 plus 1 you can choose. 9 plus 1 I had already rubbed. 9 plus 1 you can choose and you will get answer 10. Next you can choose 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 आप करते हो तो भी आपको 10 मिलता है. Next you can choose 7 plus 3. When you do 7 plus 3 you get the answer 10. 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 into 2 is 20. Next what you can choose is apart from 7 आप 6 चूज कर सकते हो. 6 प्लस आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, 4 करना पड़ेगा, तब आपको मिलेगा 10. 6 के अलावा व्हाट यू कैन डू द एडिशन इज़ 5 कर सकते हो आप. 5 प्लस 5 है ना, लेंथ एंड विड्थ आप 5 चूज कर सकते हो. 5 प्लस 5 एंड यू डू यू गेट द आंसर 10. Isn't it? So you have got many numbers है ना. अब 1 प्लस 9 आपको 10 मिल गया. 2 प्लस 8 आपको 10 मिल गया. 3 प्लस 7 आपको 10 मिल गया. 4 प्लस 6 आपको 10 मिल गया. एंड 5 प्लस 5 आपको 10 मिल गया. सो you have to choose any two numbers children. You have to choose any two numbers जिसका एडिशन आपको 10 लेकर आते हैं. Okay, so here you see I have already written here 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5 and 9 and 1. Okay, so perimeter we already got, rectangular sides we already got. How we will find the area when we have sides? Formula, what is the area of rectangular? Formula is length into width. Length into width, when you do you get the area. So you already know length and width children. दो साइड आपको पता है, एक लेंथ होगा उसमें से एक विड्थ होगा. So 2 8s are 16. लेंथ इंटू विड्थ मल्टीप्लाई किया 16 हो गया. 3 7s are it is 21. 7 is your length, 3 is your width, 3 7s are 21. 6 is your length, 4 is your width, and these are the two sides of rectangle. Multiply कर दो, 6 4s are 24. 5 and 5 are your two sides and 5 5s is 25. Multiply कर दो. 9 and 1 is your two sides and 9 1s are 9. Multiply कर दो, you got the area. Very simple है ना. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया था एरिया दिया था, आपको क्या करने थे, साइड्स फाइंड आउट करने थे. साइड्स मिल गए तो आपने फॉर्मूला में पुट कर दिया. इस क्वेश्चन में पेरीमीटर दिया हुआ है चिल्ड्रन. आप लोगों को पेरीमीटर दिया है तो आपको क्या करना था, पेरीमीटर ऐसा नंबर चूज़ करना था जिससे 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको 20 मिले. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 व्हेन यू डू यू गेट 20. सो आपको अभी दो नंबर ऐसे चूज़ करने हैं जिसको आप प्लस करोगे तो 10 आंसर आना चाहिए. 8 प्लस 2 इज़ 10, 7 प्लस 3 इज़ 10, 6 प्लस 4 इज़ 10, 5 प्लस 5 इज़ 10, 9 प्लस 1 इज़ 10. For 5, okay, you got the two sides exactly correctly. And now how you'll find the area, two sides को multiply करना है. Okay children. So next question is your question number 15 children. Question number 15 is very simple. I have used this way. You can choose your way also definitely. What they are asking is draw rectangle of side 6 centimeter and 2 centimeter and divide it into 8 equal parts and color them with different color. Okay. So you have to draw a rectangle 6 centimeter length, 6 centimeter एक side होगा, 2 centimeter दूसरा side होगा. आपको उस rectangle को 8 equal parts में divide करना है. You can either divide like this or you can divide in a different way also. बस 8 parts अंदर होने चाहिए and 8 equal parts should be there. ऐसा नहीं कि एक बड़ा एक छोटा. So 8 equal parts you need to make. You may also do this way children. You may also do this way. I'll show you that you can draw a rectangle. Okay, this is 6 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter, and what you can do is you can do like this. Middle से आप divide कर लो and then 1 2 ऐसे भी आप कर सकते हो. सो यू हैव गॉट 8 साइड्स, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 साइड्स हो गए. बस इक्वली करना, ठीक है, इक्वली डिवाइड करना एंड देन आइदर यू कैन डू दिस वे और यू कैन डू दिस वे. ठीक है, बड़ा सा बना दो, बट येस लेंथ एंड विड्थ शुड बी 6 and 2 itself. Okay, and then you need to color these equal sides with different colors. अलग अलग कलर यूज़ करना, रेड येलो ग्रीन वाइट ब्लैक पर्पल येलो ऑरेंज ब्लू, any color you can choose. Okay, 8 different colors. Next question is children, next question is 16. Area enclosed in A is equal to the area B. Statement is, okay, this statement is true or false. Okay, that is what they are asking. So if you measure this, if you see A and B सेम दिख रहा है बच्चों, ये ए बी सेम स्क्वायर है, बाहर का आप स्क्वायर देखते हो तो दिस इज सेम एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो सेम. बट इफ़ यू सी केयरफुली चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट दे हैव डन इज बी को उन्होंने दो साइड से उन्होंने कट कर दिया है ना, एंड ए का यहाँ पे आप देखो एक स्क्वायर शेप में कट कर दिया है ना. सो इफ़ यू सी चिल्ड्रंस, बी के दो साइड्स हैं, दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स, इफ़ वी join together these two triangles, so I had already taught you in the previous lessons, है ना, कैसे आपको स्क्वायर्स काउंट करने होते हैं. सो आप जब दो ट्राइंगल्स को काउंट करते हो तो इट बिकम्स अ स्क्वायर, है ना. आई शो यू हियर when you so this is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle, है ना? This is how I'm drawing very bad. Okay. Okay, yes, almost there. This is joined. Okay, so if you see this half part, this is what I've drawn, and this part I have drawn exactly near to that part. Okay, so the other part looks like this. Okay, ये नीचे का part है जो B के नीचे, this part, no, this part I have drawn below and this part I have drawn above. If you see, children's, this, okay, this how it is looking, it is looking like a square exactly the way it is looking like here, है ना? So if we cut this part and if we cut this two part, then the area between A and B, the area enclosed in A figure and B figure will be what, children? This is equal, है ना? एरिया ए एंड बी विल बी इक्वल. ऐसा नहीं है ना कि सिर्फ एक पार्ट काटा है एंड पूरा स्क्वायर है. ये दो ट्रायंगल्स काटे हैं, दो ट्रायंगल्स को काटते हो तो स्क्वायर के शेप में कट जाएगा. And this is also cut in squared shape, so area A and B is equal. Okay, true. Last question of this lesson is, children, very easy. The last question is, the rectangular box has been wrapped by two tapes as shown. Find the length of the tape for completely wrapping. Okay, children, so what is that? This is a box, rectangular box, and they use two tapes. One is thin in shape and the other is thick in shape. So that is why I have used. So what we will, and they are completely wrapping that rectangular box. So what we need to do is, we need to find out two perimeters. Okay, perimeter of thin tape and perimeter of thick tape. पतला टेप का perimeter निकालेंगे and thick tape का भी perimeter निकालेंगे, दोनों को add कर देंगे. For this same question, children, we have different ways to solve. Okay, आप अलग अलग, there are three ways to solve. So two ways were easy and I find it this easy, and the others will require more explanation. So this is quite easy to solve, because in this chapter we had almost solved perimeter and area, so that is why I'm using this method to solve this question. We have other methods also to solve the same question, but I'm teaching you this method because it okay, I find this easy. You let me know if you didn't understood this. Okay, what we have done is perimeter of thin tape. Okay, perimeter of thin tape, see the measurement, children. This thick tape के सामने उन्होंने लिखा है 25 centimeter. So this tape is of 25 centimeter length. Okay, thick tape का length कितना है 25 centimeter, and thin tape, thin means पतला tape, पतला tape का length कितना है 20 centimeter, and height is 50 centimeter, children. Height is 15 centimeter. So if we find out perimeter of thin tape, means height is this part. So length, we know 20 centimeter is the length of one and 25 is the length of the other. 15 centimeters width, that is the same for both the tapes, है ना? So perimeter of thin tape, you will use the formula 2 into length plus width. Okay, and 2 into what you will do, length is what, thin tape का length कितना है 20 centimeter का length है. So 20 centimeter for thin tape, and width is 15 centimeter. So 20 plus 15 you will put into formula, 20 plus 15 is 35. 2 into 35 you'll get 70. Same way you'll find out the perimeter for thick tape. For thick tape, you have to see the formula is 2 into length plus width, and length is what, 25, width will be same 15, and 25 plus 15 you get the answer 40, and 40 into 2 you get the answer 80. Now what they are asking, that how much tape, how much was the tape used for completely wrapping. So what you will do, perimeter of thin tape plus perimeter of thick tape. So 70 plus 80, when you will do, you'll get the answer 150 centimeter. Okay, so 150 centimeter is there in option, so you'll take the answer 150 centimeter in this answer. Okay, children, so the other method is also is completely different. Okay, you have to see the length, width and height, and then you have to solve the answer. So if you find this explanation easy, you can understand this, because anyhow we had solved lot of perimeter in this question. So that is why I had used the perimeter method in explaining this question to you. Okay, children, so we finished the lesson now, and your homework for today is, children, I had not explained all the sides. Now I told you what are the sides, but I had not showed you how to find out the perimeter for, I had not showed all the solvings for all the perimeter. I had taught you how to do it, so you need to do by yourself. Okay, you know the sides. for rectangle, you know the sides. And for question number 13, you need to find out the perimeter. And for question number 14, you need to find out the area, and you need to solve it by your own. Okay, and color this. Use your own method of dividing a rectangle into square shape, sorry, equal shape, 8 equal parts, and then color it with different colors. Okay, that is what your homework is, children. I hope you understood it. And for this question, I told you that there was in my previous video I explained you differently that okay, by mistakenly I did the multiplication instead of adding. So that was the silly mistake done by me. So I had corrected myself. You can please correct your answers again. From here I taught you from D. Okay, so that is what you need to do now. And that was all. Take care of yourself. See you in next lecture, children. Bye bye.